So we spent a beautiful day at Spanish Wells, Bahamas. Look at, we're doing video, having great conversation, explaining a bit about the island and whatnot, the people. It's got quite a history if you guys want to take the opportunity to look it up. Spanish Wells, Bahamas. I get back to the boat and I start processing the video, and wouldn't you know it, all the audio is messed up. A bunch of crackling, annoying. I was able to save the video, but no audio. This is the kind of stuff that happens to people that do this, do videos and put them on YouTube. Now, some of these it happens to professionals, equipment failure. Can you imagine, finding this out? I guess you got to check more often to make sure your equipment's operating correctly. Sometimes I'll shoot video for 2 or 3 days and not download it. And this is not the first time it's happened. I got to be better at it to pay more attention is what I have to do. Anyways, enjoy. We're making ground today, and the conditions aren't, this is all about tolerance. We'll get to that in a minute, but I want to show you something. Okay, I've got two different charts going here. Okay, I've got Explorer charts and I've got my Navionics here, and as you can see, Navionics shows these brown spots right here, which to me that's land, and the Explorer charts doesn't show the land, but it identifies that it's a visual route here. So visual meaning that it's only good on visual is only good on calm days, guys, with the sun above you. That because there's coral heads there. This one actually shows brown land, and this one just says it's visual. So I've decided to go around it. As you can see by the trail here off the route, I've decided to go around. Now I'll head back on. So that's the importance of having two small, like I'll show you now. If I view this down small, you can't see that. Okay, you can't see it. So you gotta be able to expand it. Gone off course here now. Okay, so you got to be able to expand it to show you what's going on here, so we don't make a mistake and end up on the rocks. Now look at as I was saying about tolerance. Beautiful day out. I mean, it's not really that beautiful. It's not really that beautiful of a day out. It's cold. We got a north wind coming, and the north wind brings the cold. Now, we're comfortable on the Navicula at the moment. I'm sipping coffee. I'm filming. Sandy's going to participate now and hold the camera. I'm going way off course here. And as you can see, the sun is rising. It's early in the morning. It's probably 9 o'clock. We got we started late today at 8 o'clock. I mean, we needed some sleep. The anchorage we were at last night at Rose Island was pretty good for the protection of the north winds here. It was pretty good. I had a really comfortable sleep. I had no worries whatsoever. How about you, dear?
Yeah, I slept, but I'm a light sleeper, so with the wind and the rocking, you wake up. But I had confidence in our anchor.
But not me.
Correct.
Yeah. Okay, that's a whole other story. But the winds are on our nose, and I'm motoring for now. I'm hoping in a few miles I'll be making a turn, and I'm going to put out the mainsail just for stability. And these waves here, I don't know what you want to call them. What do you want to call them, Sandy?
3 to 4 footers.
Okay, so these waves are, Sandy says 3 to 4 footers. Now, I'm going to say that they're on the larger of the 4 footers. But regardless, the wind's on our nose at 19, 20 knots right now, and it's building these waves. We're motoring along, trying to get our destination. Every once in a while, the bow takes a dive into the water and we get spray. No problem. But it's about our comfort level. We're totally comfortable in these type of conditions right now. Totally comfortable. Not a worry. I mean, we got to worry about hitting land.
Your finger.
We got to worry about hitting land, but we are very comfortable in these conditions. There's no worry. Other people, though, if we had guests on board, they may be very uncomfortable and wonder why the hell are we doing this, and we should be getting back to land and, you know, whatnot. So,
Looky here, we have some people that have flown into Chat and Chills here in Georgetown. That's pretty cool. I don't think I've seen that before.
it's really hot out. Oh, yeah, I can't. It's so still, it's hot. I'm going to have to jump in the water. I've already been in the water until I got cold. Now we got out of the water to warm up, and now it's time to go back in again. Ugh. Guys, I just want to say thank you for following along. Really appreciate it, and hope you're having a great day like we are. Enjoy yourselves. See you next time.